Hey everybody, thanks for joining us today. On today's Taking It Outdoors, we're actually going to be inside. Winter's here, cold weather, and we're going to help you get fire started quick and easy. Thanks for joining us. So these fire starters are really simple, some basic, items that you would need. This is an egg carton. If you go to the stores and you buy 5 dozen eggs in the box, these are the cartons that they come in. And each one of these is going to be a fire starter. And they'll end up like this. So you'll take one out, light it, and it's going to burn enough to start your fire. The process in making this is... All right, some of the ingredients that we have lint from your dryer that you can easily get. Some melted wax. I mean, you can use paraffin wax, or this is just used candle wax. And then you can also use wood shavings. If you're out doing the chainsaw, get all those little chips, bark, anything like that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to load up our carton with some lint. I'm putting just a little small handful in, you can see, in each one of those. Now you can easily do the whole tray. We're just going to do part of the tray. Our wax is hot, melted, ready to pour in, so we'll get this going. And you're just going to try to pour the wax in to cover all those up. And you got that whole pocket that it's going to fill with the wax. And you can put your wax in any container that you want that'll melt. Then you can just pour it right on top. Did you get this one? Doesn't look smashed down very much. And that is basically it. Poured all the wax in there. Now you're just going to sit back, let it cool off. And what you'll do, as I've shown you here, when you go to start your fire in the morning, you just rip off one little thing, stick it in your fireplace, light this, it'll catch all your wood on fire. And there we have it, our finished product. The wax is all cooled off and it's ready to go. You're just going to rip off a corner, one piece, stick it underneath your wood there, light the cardboard on fire. It'll continue to burn until your wood catches on fire, and then it's just going to grow and ready to go. You can see it down there on the left. It's still burning, but now all the wood is caught on fire. And that's it. Nice little fire starters. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you on the next one. Don't forget, like and subscribe to our channel. Share this if you can. Thank you for taking it outdoors. We're gone.